Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can make a creative text animation in Canva using motion graphic. First up, open your Canva, then go to video section and select this create blank. Then you'll be taken into this page. So the first step that we can do, we can basically create a new background or image. To do that, go to elements and you can go to the search box and type right here what image that you want to put in. For example, I want to select this Paris image. Then as you can see, we have a bunch of results. For example, this one. Then click on the three dots and then select on set image as background. Once done here, you can basically customize or resize the image. You can zoom it out like this and you can drag. And once done, click on the background. And then next, what we can do is we can now add a text. Click add a heading. But this time, I'm going to add the first letter of this one, so P. And we can resize the text. And then here, change the color into white. Next, let's change the font style into Big Spartan. And then once done, you can now go to effects section right there at the top, and then select this shadow. And then let's customize the settings here. So first up is the offset. So we can change into like 60 or 62. Direction will be like 96. Blur effect will be 47. Transparency is 80. So once done, change the color into black. Now if you're okay with this one, you just have to place it on the left side and we can complete the word right here. Just need to duplicate and then type here A to complete the Paris. Next, duplicate again. Next letter is R, and I'm going to place here at the middle. Another one is letter I, and the letter is S. So make sure that you place in order and close to each other. And then here we can now set this up so we can change the placement. Select this one and we can just replace. So as you can see, then you can basically drag it to place this text right here. So if you're okay with this one, so the next step here that we can do is select on the text. Then we can basically click on the three dots and layer, show layers, and place it in order. And then next, what we can do now is basically create a new page. So we can just duplicate this one. Then on the second page here, you just need to select all of the letter or text, then click position, and then click on overlapping, click arrange, then click on the center. So right here, as you can see, then you can move it outside the image. So basically make sure that is aligned. So it will be aligned from right to left. So for example, this one here, what we can do, just group this one and place it in the correct position. And then we can duplicate again, then select all of the text, click on position, go to overlapping, then arrange, then click center, and then click the text and move it to the right outside of the image. And then once done, we can now basically change the position of the pages. And then we can change the video length into 2 seconds. And then we can now add the transition. Then we can select match and move and change the duration into 1 second. Now once done here, as you can see, we have the 2 page. Then we can duplicate the first page and put it at the end of the last page. Then add the transition again, select match and move and change the duration to 1 second. Then let's preview and play. So there you have it. So that's how you basically create this text animation using motion graphic. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.